always tell people is just because you file a lawsuit, it doesn't necessarily mean that the case is going to go to trial. And at the end of the day, probably 90% of cases that get filed in a lawsuit still are able to resolve without having to go through a trial, without having to go on the public display about what you've been through and the more intimate details of your life and what happened to you. But the key is that you have to prepare every case like it will go to trial, because that's how you get the best results for clients.